Hey everyone, this is my atomic green Sears Model 564.80171 oscillating desk fan. It's a 12-inch model with green transparent blades, which have been repaired at some point. And this fan was manufactured for Sears in Japan by Sanyo. Now, I used to have a fan like this a few years ago, but it burned in the Woolsey fire. Now this one is in decent shape here. But yeah, I do remember that old fan. We used it for years in the main bedroom. And they're great fans for bedroom use or anywhere you just need a quiet fan because these things are truly silent. So what we're going to do now is take you for a look around this fan, and then we'll give you a quick running demonstration of it. And we'll be back after a while with this one in a few months after we've cleaned and serviced it. So hopefully you enjoy the show here. Now here's the badge of the fan. You can see that's in pretty decent shape. Here you've got the switch plate. And again, this thing is really nice. It's got the Sears Tri-Speed logo on it. And one of the things I love are the graduated colored buttons that this thing has for the speeds. Here's the side profile of the fan. It has a little bit of a nick in the side there. Here's the back. It's in pretty decent shape. Here's the model ID plate down underneath. And it has a serial number here on the back. So with that, we'll get into the demonstration here, and we'll start off on low speed. And we'll bring in the oscillation. And we'll bring it up to medium speed. And we'll bring it up to the high speed now. And we'll turn off the oscillation and turn off the fan to watch it coast down. So with that, we'll go ahead and conclude this video. I'd like to thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that like button down below. And as well, hit that subscribe button because we will have more to come. And so with that, we will see you later.